This is going to be the portable folding fire pit from Yaheetech, and right out of the box, you can already tell this is going to be one of those grab it and go kind of setups. Everything's packed in it really nice. I like that it comes with the fire bowl. You'll get a spark screen, a barbecue grill grate, a log grate, and a carrying bag. Nothing is cheap or flimsy. It's solid, durable feel, especially for something that's meant to be portable. Now, the best part about this, you guys, is there's not really much assembly at all. You basically unfold the legs, place the bowl, add the grates, you're done. No tools, no frustration, no where does this piece go moment. You don't even need to look at the instructions. It just took a few minutes, which is perfect when you're trying to get a fire going before the sun goes down. Once we got it set up outside, it was exactly what you'd want for a casual fire. It's the perfect size, it's big enough for a solid fire, or roasting marshmallows, or even throwing the grill grate on for simple cooking. It's still compact enough that it doesn't take over your whole space. The spark screen is a nice touch too, especially if you've got dogs or pets, and if you've got little kids running around, and you're just trying to keep things a little bit more in place. We were sent this fire pit from Yaheetech to test out, and we've unboxed it, we've set it up, and we are ready to go ahead and have our bonfire.